Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be showing you how to report a group in WhatsApp on your PC. Reporting a group can be helpful if you encounter any inappropriate or abusive content. So, let's get started. Step 1. Open WhatsApp on your PC and ensure that you are logged in to your account. Step 2. Locate and click on the desired group that you wish to report. Step 3. Once you are in the group, click on the group name at the top of the screen. Step 4. In the Overview tab, scroll down until you find the Report Group button. Step 5. Click on the Report Group button and confirm your action by pressing Report and Leave. And there you have it. You have successfully reported a group in WhatsApp on your PC. Remember, reporting groups helps maintain a safe and enjoyable experience for all users. Thank you for watching our tutorial on how to report a group in WhatsApp on your PC. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tutorials. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Stay tuned for more exciting content, and we'll see you in the next video.